This video will step you through the process of adding an ITV event using our new EMS scheduling system right through your desktop version of Outlook. So open up Outlook and click on your calendar. Select a particular day that you want to create this ITV event and create a new event by either double-clicking or by selecting New Appointment. Now you'll notice that there is a new icon available within the New Appointment dialog box, EMS Scheduling. If you click on EMS Scheduling, you'll see a select set of processes which are pre-configured, making it very easy for you to schedule ITV events or any other event for that matter. These selected processes are pre-configured to provide you with only rooms where these resources are available and to show you the availability of that room as far as scheduling in the future. In this particular example, I have an event that I'm going to schedule on March 20th from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Here in the scheduling system you can see that the begin time at 10 is marked by green and the end time is marked by red. And the space in between, which is gray, would be the time in which my event will take place. And I can easily see from the calendar whether that particular space has availability in the rooms that have ITV available to them. So if there is a blue line, there is no availability because it means that there's already an event scheduled in that particular room. So I'm going to choose a room on the Escanaba campus, and this will be my host room. The first room I choose defaults to the host room, which is where the ITV event is originating from. So notice when I click on my room, a little dialog box opens up, and it actually asks you for the attendance in that particular room. So because you have to choose two rooms for an ITV event, you may have attendance that's different in one room versus another. So I may have, say, 10 people attending in Escanaba at my host location, and in my Bay West room, which I'm going to choose conference room 111, I may only have, say, 3 people available. Notice that checkbox for host is not applied because it's not the host, it's the actual receiving end of the ITV event. So now you have 2 rooms selected. You have a host room and you have your receiving end. If I had nothing more to do with this event, such as adding catering or adding AV or additional resources, I would simply be done and I could click Save and Send and this event would be scheduled. But what if I wanted to actually add some services? Well, if I want to add services, I click the Services tab, and my booking has 2 rooms associated with it, which every ITV event will have 2 rooms. And depending on which room I have highlighted, the actual resources or services that are available for that room are listed here. So if I clicked on West Campus, that would change. So let's say that I just want to have some catering delivered to my 963 or Escanaba room prior to my event taking place. So if I click on catering, I will get a list of the services that are available. And I'm going to actually have my catering delivered a little bit before the start of my event, and I'll have it end at the time my event ends. And in this case, I'm going to have some breakfast served, and my estimated count for that breakfast is going to be the attendance, which is 10. So I'm going to select breakfast, and I'm going to add, let's see, how about maybe some, I'll do whole fruit. So I'm going to do whole fruit for 10 people. And then I'm just going to accept the terms, and I can view those terms if I'd like, but I have to accept the terms and I have to click Apply. At this point, the catering has been added to this particular room, and it's going to be delivered at 9:30 a.m. An automated message will go out to our catering department letting them know what I've ordered for how many people and when it should be delivered. If I wanted to add additional resources or services to the West Campus room, I could do the same thing here. But in this example, I'm not going to add any additional resources at the remote location. Now I can be done with my event at this point, or if I wanted to, I could actually invite attendees. You would think that this little icon up here that says Invite Attendees would be the place where you would actually click to invite attendees. but you do have to actually click on the appointment icon. Once you click on the appointment icon, you will get the 2 ... which is the placeholder for inviting attendees. And in this particular case, I'll invite Debbie Stiglitz, and I'll invite Justin and Jason. And at this point, I would just click send, or I could do other things with this appointment, like I could add a message in here. This is a test event. I could add a subject. Let's say that this is my test event. And if this is an academic event, it would be nice for you to add the actual course title. So in this case, it could be something like Biology 101, and then whatever the event might be. That just makes it easy for reporting. So then just one final look at my schedule. I click back on the EMS Scheduling icon. I have my rooms, both highlighted in green here. There is availability. I have my attendees that are invited. I have my services associated with my my Escanaba room, whole fruit for 10 people. And at this point, I can simply check accept terms and click save and send, and I have created an ITV event. And the nice thing about this system is that the folks at the Escanaba campus and the folks at the Iron Mountain campus will automatically receive notification that this event is taking place with all the details. Catering will be automatically notified, and it will automatically be put into your calendar.